What's up, gentle friends? My name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. And today we're having fun with magnets. So what we're playing with here today is a mount, a new mount that I'm trying out from Snapmounts. Not affiliated. This isn't a review. This is literally me checking out this mount and just kind of getting my first impressions on it. So okay, we're gonna open our box here. So, good packaging. I don't really know that that matters. Experience freedom, right there. Okay, cool story, bro. Here's our destructions. So, I bought the Snapmount Pro kit. This comes with this little rubber mat. It also comes with the mount. I mean, obviously, right? So then we have, looks like 4 separate plates here. This is not the weakest set of magnets I've ever played with, I'll tell you that right now. It also comes with a tether, or whatever, tether that probably 90% of us will never use. So immediately, first impressions, I like that it has an actual aluminum thumb screw. So granted, I've had it 30 seconds. There's no rust on it. Thanks, Dango Design. Only time will tell. Again, not a review, just my immediate impressions. So that's kind of cool. So, and then it comes with, like I say, several other plates. You know, like I say, I'm not a expert by any means, but I assume that these are just different adapter plate options. Oh boy. Alright, this is the actual backing plate. So, when we're gonna make our videos, we go like this, and ooh, I don't know if I can, it does not want to stick. Look at this. It is doing might be fun with magnets, right? Okay. So, boy, that's satisfying, huh? Who doesn't like a good snap? So let's see how far, just how far can we make this work, huh? Ooh, it's a couple inches. Wow, that's awesome. So far, this has pretty good hold on this. This is an aluminum adapter. So not plastic, it's not part of the kit. I bought it specifically so I could use with the Sony Action Cam that I have. All right, let's see what we can stick this thing to. Will it stick to a metal-sided building? Yes, it will. Turns out magnets and steel working together. Perfect harmony. Who'd have thought, huh? Can I put this mount inside my jacket? Well, I'm glad you asked, because we're about to find out. Huh? Look at that. Still there. Can I use snow fence as a poor man's tripod? Hey! It works beautiful. Will Snapmount stick to the bottom of this pail? Let's find out. Oh man. Will Snapmount stick to gunner? I mean, kind of. Show the nice people the cam, Gunner. Jeez. He's not impressed. Would snap mount make a lovely fridge magnet for your mom on Mother's Day? Why, yes, it will. Can I stick snap mount to a gate and do a drive-by pass successfully? We did it! Sorry, Gunner. My first impressions are it's fun. I don't know how much or how little use I'm gonna get out of it. Only time will tell. I check back in, maybe not even, it's gonna be maybe a little longer than 6 months from now before I use this thing. Or before I have a firm decision made on whether this mount was worth $70 or not. So, but in the meantime, it hasn't broken in the 5 minutes I've used it, so that's cool. So anyway, yeah, check back later. So if this video is helpful to you, I'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, you know where to hit me up in the comments section below. And finally, for more of my videos, hit subscribe. And there's snow on my lens. for more of my videos, hit subscribe, hit the notifications, all that good stuff, and come see me again. Talk to you later.